Hi there, thanks for joining me. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to take a look at two scenarios that relate to your minimum price. What will happen if your competitor is below your minimum price, and what will happen if your competitor matches your minimum price. In order to get started, let's pull up a repricing rule. To do this, go to Repricing Rules on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, choose a repricing rule to open. We're going to go to the Advanced Options tab. Scroll down to the Scenarios section and you'll find our two scenarios listed there. Let's take a look at the If Competitor Below Min scenario first. This scenario will kick in if the cheapest seller on a listing is below your minimum price. In this case, you can choose to apply 4 different options. The first is to go to your minimum price, and that is by far the most common choice for this scenario. You can also go to your maximum price, choose not to reprice at all, or use Next Best Seller. Next Best Seller is a special scenario that allows you to ignore the sellers below your minimum price and instead compete with any between your min-max range. This is a great scenario to use if you know your metrics are good and you can secure the buy box even at a higher price than your competitors. It is worth remembering though, if there aren't any competitors between your min-max range, your no competition scenario will apply. Moving down, we have our second scenario. This one is if a competitor matches your min price. This basically will only ever apply if we reprice your product and the competitor has the same min price as you. In this scenario, you can apply very similar settings to the ones we just discussed, and they work in just the same way. These are Go to Min, Go to Max, and Next Best Seller. And that's just a quick explanation of these scenarios within Repricer.com. Why not explore some of the other videos on the channel where we go through some more scenarios and settings? If you're unsure, do get in touch with our support team who'll be more than happy to give you a hand. If you haven't yet started your trial yet, sign up today for 14 days, no credit card required. Or book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.